from being relieved from their respective posts. Those who aided Alice Guo and others in their escape will also face charges for helping fugitives evade the law. While for Alice Guo herself, a sound grilling from senators is in order, not only for her alleged link to illegal pogos, but also an explanation on how they were able to sneak out, as well as the identities of those who helped them. Here's the report. Following the arrest of Alice Guo, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. reiterated that those who helped the dismissed mayor leave the country will be held accountable. Last night, Guo was tracked down at a hotel in Banten Province, Indonesia, by operatives of the Indonesian police.
All of those who are implicated in assisting Alice Guo to leave the Philippines illegally as a fugitive from justice will certainly pay the price. Not only will they, ang tanong nyo, sino yung sisibakin? Hindi lang namin sila sisibakin, kakasuhan pa namin sila. Dahil ang kanilang ginawa ay labag sa batas at against all of the interests of the Philippine judicial system. Okay?
Guo's arrest by virtue of the Senate's order is also a result of intelligence coordination between the PNP and local police in Indonesia. After her arrest, Guo spoke with PNP Chief General Romel Marbil via video conference. Details on how long Guo has been in Indonesia have yet to be disclosed, as the priority is to bring her back to the Philippines.
No information about that po dahil ongoing pa po yung yung interview at yung official reports po ay wala pa po sa atin, but kanina po before coming over here kausap ko po mismo yung intelligence group na nag-facilitate po ay they opted not to disclose more information kasi ongoing pa po yung efforts natin to locate the others.
When she arrives in the country, Guo will eventually be placed under the custody of the Senate, where the investigation on Pogo in Bamban Tarlac is being heard. Also to be investigated is how she was able to leave the country and who assisted her.
Through immigration, sa customs, sa ports, and even sa airport, alam po niya na mapa-plug down po siya doon dahil nasa immigration lookout bulletin order na po siya. If and when lumabas po sa investigation po natin na meron pong mga pulis na tumulong po dyan, no sacred cow po dito, papanagutin po natin ang sinumang pulis na mapapatunayan po nating tumulong sa ginawa pong pagtakas po ni Alice Guo at iba pa.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.